everyone! This week on TruthPlusDare, our truth is, do you have a crush on anyone? Kendall Schmidt. So, just Kendall Schmidt. We're getting married. It's been a relationship for probably 4 years now. This week's dare on TruthPlusDare is to go into the mall with a stuffed animal and cuddle it like a kid. And I think there's a confusion with this. It's your kid or like you're a kid, so I just kind of did both. Yeah, here is that video. So me and my friend here are about to go into the store. We're going to go to Petco because he's running low on some food. And yeah, we might go shopping and stuff, so yeah. So the manager came up to us at Petco and said that we couldn't film in there anymore, so we left. And we went to Target and we had to film on an iPhone, so the quality difference is a lot different and a lot worse. So that's why the quality is bad. Those are your friends. Hi, can I get a catfish macchiato?
I'm not too sure what that is.
I'm joking. Can I get a grande iced caramel macchiato? So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can check me out on my main channel, TheMakeupTroll. You can see me here every Friday. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
It's TruthPlusDare. It's TruthPlusDare. You've got a truth about a bear or a stare about my hair. It's TruthPlusDare. It's TruthPlusDare. You've got a truth about my care or a dare about my stare. It's TruthPlusDare. It's TruthPlusDare. You can send me anywhere on a wing or on a prayer. It's TruthPlusDare. It's TruthPlusDare.